To our apartment. We have a little table with a mini bar. This is where we keep all of our belongings, kind of like a drop-off point. We're living out of suitcases right now. Check. Everything is from Vietnam. I got these shoes. My favorite part of the outfit. Roger and Fang. These pants were from that same street. This shirt is from Ho Chi Minh. It's a really nice material. Show them your outfit. Fix yourself. Hi. Bye. Let's go. Day 3 in Hanoi. It's currently raining. We've been here for 2 days and we didn't realize how close we were to Train Street. Oh, it's so heartwarming. Perfect for this weather. The noodles are so bouncy. They melt in your mouth. Yeah. I recommend this, but it's really good. I want the yogurt coffee. Yeah. Wow. He said that's different. That's so. It's interesting. It's like a slushy. Yeah, it's really interesting. Wow. The more and more we have it, it actually tastes delicious. Acquiring the taste. Go on. Tastes like yogurt. It's kind of the same. It's definitely got like a Greek yogurt flavor.
What is that? I like it actually. Yeah, it's not bad. Okay. You got mustache. So apparently you eat it like a dessert. Yum. That's really good. That's probably the best egg coffee I've had. Loading tea has the best egg coffee. You heard it here first. Best for me. Celebrity.
Hi, can I get one matcha latte? Maybe this one. Ceremonial grade 1. You want one? No. See that? Wow, look at this. It's a rose.
Oh wow, they let you see the rose. Yum.
Quite like the math.
I like the what?
The math.
Oh, yes, please.
Everything's better.
Yeah. I'll start eating.
Nice pagoda taste, right?
That's what's throwing me off.
It's like a fresh pizza.
Yeah, that's what it's like. Salad on pizza. Whoa.
Something about the prosciutto. Yeah.
The pizza is sauceless. They give you honey and chili oil. So I can put some honey on it. And the bread isn't soggy. Chili oil. But yeah. So good and creamy. Good. I'm cool though. Are you listening? I tried, but no free tour guide today. Incredible, incredible. La 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 la.
Come to the office again because there's an opportunity.
Try. That's so yum. Oh my goodness. It's clean. I got a miss. I rate that a 8.7 out of 10. What do you rate it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you heard it. Alright, we're just gonna stop by whatever catches our eye. Next stop is Don. Actually, this was already on the list, but I'm surprised to see that they're open.
It's already cooked, but it will be better if it's hot. So you have to stir it.
Don, trying Vietnamese duck. It's really flavorful. You have it with rice noodles. Kind of reminds me of like a curry.